Hey everyone, I'm so excited. I have finally, after 25 years, got a new washer and dryer. Yes, 25 years. Just happens that the other day we were at a home improvement store and we were in the back where the washer and dryers were, and my husband says, hey, let's look at this. They were having a sale and the price was right and we got one. And let me just say, y'all might know this, but I didn't know because I've had the same washer dryer forever. But washers and dryers do so much more now. I had no idea. But I am so excited. I can't wait to show you my washer and dryer, so let's get over there and look at it. Okay, for starters, I have a very small laundry room. But this is them, the Whirlpool. Now this is not the Cobalt that I've been seeing a lot of reviews done on. This is actually a size down from them. This is perfect for our small size family. There's only 3 of us. And my old washer and dryer I'm going to be giving to my son, so he won't be coming over here doing laundry no more. So the wash machine is a 4.8 cubic feet. It is high efficiency. It was on sale and I bought it for $6.79. It was originally $8.99. The dryer, again, it is Whirlpool. It is 7.4 cubic feet. It was also on sale. I got it for $6.79. It was originally $8.99. So this is more than enough of a size. I did go up a bigger size than what the lady said I needed because I do wash bed sheets, comforters, and stuff like that a lot. So here we go. So there's the washing machine. There's a glare on it, but it has the see-through lid. And look at that big. It's so big inside. It's all stainless steel. This is for your detergent and fabric softener. And okay, you're gonna laugh, but I wasted 2 loads worth of laundry detergent because I thought I was supposed to, you can push this and it will pre-soak, but I thought I was supposed to load the water up in it. And I did, and put my little laundry ball in there. And then I would push start and it would drain all the water and detergent out. And I'd have to do it again. I did that twice until I realized that I was supposed to just turn it on, put my settings in, and it would do all of that for me. I'm going to put a load of whites in and let you see how well it works. Okay, so I got all of my whites in there, off to the edge, nice and loose. I'll put my detergent in. Bleach. Close the lid. I love this sound, listen. Okay, so I need to put bedding down. Okay, bedding, I want hot. It has its recommendations, like when you put in what setting it does it, but you can change it. But I am going to leave it like that and turn it on. It does a little weighing system inside to determine how much water to put in there. So that's what it's doing right now, is weighing itself. Here comes the water. When you use the bedding and bulky cycle, it gives it more water, and the towels too. That cycle, it gives more water because it needs more. When you start it, it has a lock, so it locks the lid. I'll go back over here. So these are the settings. It has color, dark, white, towels, and bedding and bulk. That's what I've got it on right now. Now you got extra rinse, extra spin cycle, clean washer, which that is another new for me because I did not know that you're supposed to wash your washing machine. I figured it got clean when it got the clothes clean. Single and delay wash, which I don't know if I'd ever use that. Leave a comment below if y'all have ever used the delay cycle and why. And if you have a whirlpool or whatever washing dryer you have. Now when you go to the setting, it will automatically put in all this stuff, but you can go up higher or lower if you want something a little different. So you still have some control over it. It says we still have 35 minutes. It's starting to slow down. It says in. It made a pretty little chime. So I'm going to turn it off and take out the clothes. I love that sound. I wanted to quickly tell you that when we were looking at washers and dryers, I was looking at the front loader, but my husband works at a home improvement store, and he heard stories from customers who came in and out that the front loaders sometimes leak. So I just decided to go with the top loader. And I like it so far. So now I get to play with the dryer. Okay, I got all of my whites in there. That is a big drum right there. Big open. Oh, I don't think this is the vent. I need to clean that off. I didn't clean that last time. It's done. There's my sheets. And take them out and make my bed. But that is my tour of my new washer and dryer. Thanks for watching. So that is my new washer and dryer. I hope you liked this video. And if you did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I am remodeling my laundry room, so keep coming back to see what all I do and what it's going to look like when I finish, okay? So I will see y'all next time. Bye.